In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Clickup workspace. It's important to note that deleting a workspace is a permanent action, so make sure this is what you want to do before proceeding, as this action cannot be undone and will remove all associated data, including files, tasks, and history. To begin, you'll first want to ensure you are in the specific workspace you are looking to remove. This is crucial. Make sure you've selected the one you intend to delete, especially if you have multiple workspaces within Clickup. Accuracy at this step can save you a lot of unnecessary trouble later on. Once you're in the correct workspace, shift your focus to the upper left corner of your screen, where you'll see your avatar or profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a drop-down menu. From here, you'll navigate to and select the Settings option. After you've accessed the settings, browse through the options until you locate the section labeled Workspaces. This is where all your current workspaces are listed. Click on Workspaces to bring up a comprehensive list of every workspace you have. Now, it's time to select the workspace you wish to delete. Carefully choose from the list the specific workspace that you want to remove. Once you've made your selection, look for the Delete Workspace option. Clicking this is what begins the deletion process. At this stage, Clickup asks you to confirm your intention to delete the workspace. To verify, you'll need to type the name of the workspace into the provided field. This step acts as a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions, ensuring you really mean to go through with it. Be sure to type the name exactly as it appears to confirm. After entering the workspace name, there's one more step to pay attention to. You'll see an optional checkbox that allows you to permanently delete all the data associated with the workspace. If you're sure you want everything, tasks, files, history, removed, go ahead and check that box. Finally, once everything is set and you have double-checked that this is indeed the workspace you want to bid farewell to, click the Delete button. And just like that, the workspace will be deleted. If there's ever any uncertainty, remember to back up necessary data before you begin this process. It's always best to err on the side of caution whenever deleting important workspaces. Whether you're tidying up or starting fresh, following these steps ensures a smooth and straightforward process. Thanks for sticking around, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.